Hey, this is Stephen A. Williams, President and founder of the CreditRepairShop.com. And in this video, I want to talk about the AU trade lines. It looks like it's working again. There was something was going on to where it wasn't populating on individuals' credit reports for one reason or another, but now we've figured out how to get it populated. This was an individual. Now, we're trying to figure out what's going on with this. We think that, with the monitoring service that he's using, he didn't get this populated, and we're going to get that to see what the score is on there. But you could see we were working very hard on this one because, in a way, this was like a test case to figure out what needed to be done to get the AU reported. And you can see right here, we got 10-10, so this was last month. And you can see that the scores were maintaining. And what we were doing is we were actually paying to get the reports refreshed, and also calling the companies that we were using to see why it wasn't being reported. And then we could see right here, we did a refresh. It was a few days ago, and you can see, look at this jump, 522 to 709 right there. This one went to 670, and the reason why this had a 670 was there was an item on here, and that item has been removed. It was removed off of this report. In this report, he had one last item that we were working on. He had this guy came to us. You could see what his scores. He had a lot of stuff that was going on, but we got that stuff taken care of. And then on this one, it just had that one item, even though it was dropped off when we did the rescore, it didn't jump it up as high. I think that this one will be over 700 in the next refresh also. And then this one here, we're checking in with the monitoring service to see why this isn't reporting. We know that he had scores here before, and for some reason it's not reporting. So we're working on getting that issue resolved, and then I'll do another video. If you are looking at getting the AU trade line, there's a link below where you can go to our website and type in, let us know what you're trying to accomplish, and maybe we can help you out on that. Uh, if you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch video What Makes Us Different. Watch my 8-point validation process, my two-phase settlement process. If you need your credit reports and scores, go to the website your3scores.com. Grab your TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian credit reports and scores. If you have debt collectors coming after you, grab my 3-pack of letters, statute of limitations, cease and desist, and statute of limitations, cease and desist, and debt validation letter. Thank you for your time. Please subscribe to the channel. Please post your questions and comments. This is Stephen A. Williams, President and founder of CreditRepairShop.com.